Hello everyone, we have to solve this factorial equation given that n minus 1 factorial plus 1 is equal to n square, and we have to find the value of n. Let me move towards the solution. Given equation is this one. From here we take this 1 towards right side. When it go towards the right it will become negative. So on the right we have n square minus 1, and this n square minus 1 can be written as n minus 1 into n plus 1 by the famous identity a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So in the left, this n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, and right side will remain same. From here we can cancel out n minus 1 on the both sides. Now here n minus 1 must not equal to 0, means n cannot be equal to 1. So we check from this equation whether n may be 1 or not. If we substitute n is equal to 1, then this 1 minus 1 is 0 factorial, that is 1, and n square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. If we take n is equal to 1, it means 2 is equal to 1. So n can never be 1. And this equation simplifies to n minus 2 factorial is equal to n plus 1. Here we substitute n minus 2 as r. If n minus 2 is r, then n plus 1 must be r plus 3. So after substitution, this equation will become r factorial is equal to r plus 3. R factorial, and if we take this r towards left, then it will become negative, and we have r factorial minus r is equal to 3. We can write this r factorial as r into r minus 1 factorial, and this minus r is equal to 3. So in these two terms we can take r as common, and we have r times r minus 1 factorial minus 1 is equal to 3. We can write this 3 as 3 multiplied by 1. So since n is an integer, similarly r is an integer, so these two terms r and this term which is in square brackets must be integers, and since product of these two integer terms is 3, so r must be 3. We can check, if r is 3 then this must be 1. If we substitute over here, r is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 factorial is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So this, if this r is 3, then this term must be 1. So this satisfies the equation, and hence r is equal to 3. As we have substituted n minus 2 is equal to r, so n minus 2 is equal to 3, and from here n is equal to 5. So we can also check whether this satisfies this equation or not. In the left, 5 minus 1 factorial is 4 factorial, that is 24, and plus 1 is 25. So left side is 25, and here if we substitute 5, then 5 square is also 25. So 25 is equal to 25, and thus only n is equal to 5 is a value which satisfies this equation. So n is equal to 5 is the required answer. Thank you for watching.